in terms of new developments in this field, it's not just the anecdotal use of all these other drugs, like the JAK-STAT inhibitors or the CTLA-4 agonists. It's now clinical trials are being conducted, for example, at my own institution with my colleagues at Angeles Clinic, Cedars-Sinai in Los Angeles, Mass General, and Dana-Farber at Boston. We have a 4-investigator or 4-institution consortium where we're doing a trial of Ipilimumab, Nivolumab with Tocilizumab, the IL-6 receptor blocking antibody, to prevent toxicity and to either maintain or even increase benefit. And it's a phase 2 study. It's almost done with its accrual. And the initial data were presented at ESMO, so it's publicly presented, but it looks very promising for the ability to reduce grade 3-4 toxicities for the first 24 weeks, which is when most of them occur, and when we give the tocilizumab. And the response rate are at least as good as, if not better, and the PFS looks at least as good as, if not better, than what you would see with the same doses of ipilimumab and nivolumab in metastatic melanoma in previously untreated patients. So we think it looks promising. And there is, by report, an infliximab preventive trial going on with ipilimumab and nivolumab. There is in lung cancer, I believe, another tocilizumab trial, similar to our melanoma trial. But I think that people will begin to use biomarkers to predict who's most likely to develop toxic immune-related adverse events at grade 3 and 4, and choose those patients to give these preventive agents to. So, for example, at our institution, Dr. Iman Osman, an outstanding investigator, has defined a signature of autoantibodies using an autoantibody chip. And she can fairly well predict who's most likely to develop immune-related adverse events that are severe, grade 3 and 4. And so we hope soon to be able to use that technology to choose the patients for our trials, because right now we're just treating everyone. And, with ipilimumab and nivolumab at the so-called full doses, about half the patients develop severe side effects. So you'd certainly want to only treat those patients to maybe cut in half the rate of immune-related adverse events. That would be a major advance. Whereas why would you treat the half that will never develop severe side effects? It's a waste of drug and an inappropriate exposure of patients to potential side effects.